Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. So today I want to show you my village style of making this delicious stew. So I have my ingredients, my salt, my lazy tomato paste. I love this because it's so nice. I also have onions, maggi, garlic, ginger, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, my tomatoes, vegetable oil, and I also have my fish and chicken in this bowl. So right now I'm cooking some yam, and afterwards I'll make my stew. I'll start by cutting my tomatoes and all other vegetables into smaller pieces. So let's begin. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share my video. To my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch videos from this channel. So with this stew making, I'm not blending anything and I'm not grinding anything. And at the end of the day, this stew is going to be super delicious. Just follow these steps and please don't forget to make some for your family and they will love it. And do you know that outdoor cooking is so relaxing and refreshing? Because good air or fresh air will blow through you. So now I have my chicken that I'm adding some of these chopped vegetables, ginger, garlic, green bell pepper, onion. I'll be adding some little salt and some little maggi. And then put it on fire. Then I'll be adding some small amount of water to get my chicken cooked. So now this is my vegetables that I have nicely chopped. So I'll set it aside and then look into my chicken to see how far it has cooked. Now my chicken is well cooked. I'll set it aside and I'll place another pot where I'll be frying my chicken. So I'm adding my vegetable oil, and when it's heated, I'll just add my chicken so that it will be fried. Now the oil is hot, so I've just added my chicken and I'll continuously monitor it so that it doesn't over fry. After some 5 to 8 minutes, I'll set aside my chicken and then I'll fry my fish and set that one to aside. Please don't go away, keep watching and you will not regret watching this video because this stew is so delicious. The fish is done, so I'm adding all my chopped vegetables into the oil I used to fry the chicken and the fish. So you know the stew is going to be awesome because it's packed with flavor, and the green bell pepper, the red bell pepper all adds flavor. So after 10 minutes, you have seen that it has reduced in size, so I'm adding my lazy tomato paste into it. I'm adding 2 tins of the tomato paste. So I'll stir it so that I get a uniform mixture, and then I'll add some maggi and some salt. So now I'll also be adding my chicken stock to my stew. I don't want to waste it. So at this point, after adding, I'll be very careful about the quantity of salt and maggi that I'm going to add because I added some when I was cooking my chicken. So here I'm adding my maggi and some salt. So I'll just stir it so that it's uniformly mixed. So now I have added my fish and my chicken directly into the stew, and I'll let this cook for additional 10 minutes before my stew will be done for serving. So now it's 10 minutes afterwards and my stew is ready. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye.